Hey, this is Steve in North Carolina, enjoying my drone command webinar so far. Fantastic learning so far from the drone boss and Diego, not only and learning how to market my business, grow my business, but also the ins and outs of the drone world. So I truly appreciate their expertise and skill and look forward to the rest of the seminar. Thanks. Drone Command Live. What a great training session I'm having so far with Diego and Damon about not only learning about drones, how to fly a drone, FAA regulations, 107s, etc., but also just as importantly, if not more importantly, from Diego, how to build a business, market yourself, market your business, take care of customers' needs, and provide a solution with your drone that really makes a difference to them. Because ultimately, if you're helping them and make a difference to them, we will see our businesses grow and be financially and personally satisfied. So myself, it's a great tool that I'm looking to use to grow my business, myself personally, and I look forward to the rest of the training session with the two guys. And if you're considering getting into the drone business, now's the time, as both Diego and Damon have said. Get in now before it gets overly saturated and it becomes really hard to grow a drone business. So if you're considering getting into the drone business, do it now. Don't waste any time and take their course.